The dawn of thinking machines, AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. Machines are learning to think like humans. This is possible through machine learning. Algorithms allow computers to learn from data. They identify patterns and make predictions. This is revolutionizing many fields. AI is used in healthcare, finance, and transportation. Self-driving cars are on the horizon. AI personal assistants are becoming commonplace. The possibilities are limitless. AI is enhancing our lives in countless ways. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It involves training algorithms on massive data sets. These algorithms can then analyze new data and make predictions based on what they've learned. This technology is driving innovation across industries. AI and machine learning are powerful tools. They have the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements in the years to come. The future is bright. AI in our schools and homes. ChatGPT as a learning tool. Imagine a world where students have access to personalized tutors around the clock. This is becoming a reality with AI-powered tools like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot. It can understand and generate human-like text. In education, ChatGPT can provide students with instant feedback on assignments. It can also offer personalized learning recommendations. Students can ask ChatGPT questions on any subject and receive comprehensive answers and explanations. ChatGPT can also assist teachers with lesson planning and grading. It can create interactive learning materials. This frees up teachers to focus on individual student needs. AI is transforming education. Beyond the classroom, ChatGPT can be a valuable learning tool for people of all ages. It can provide summaries of complex topics and help with creative writing projects. The possibilities are endless. Navigating the digital age, cybersecurity essentials. As our reliance on technology grows, so too do cybersecurity threats. Hackers and cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. It is crucial to take steps to protect ourselves online. One essential practice is to use strong passwords. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information in your passwords. Another important step is to be wary of phishing scams. Phishing emails and websites attempt to trick you into giving up personal information. Never click on links or open attachments from unknown senders. It's also crucial to keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches. These patches fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit, enable automatic updates whenever possible. A glimpse into tomorrow, quantum computing, blockchain, and the future. The future of technology is full of exciting possibilities. Quantum computing is one such advancement. Quantum computers use the principles of quantum mechanics. This allows them to solve problems that are impossible for classical computers. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine and materials science. It could lead to the development of new drugs and therapies. It could also enable the creation of new materials with enhanced properties. Another groundbreaking technology is blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger. It records transactions across multiple computers. This makes it secure and transparent. Blockchain is best known for its association with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. However, its potential applications extend far beyond finance. Blockchain can be used to create secure supply chains, verify digital identities, and even facilitate voting. The future is being shaped by these transformative technologies. AI, quantum computing, and blockchain have the power to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. As we continue to explore their potential, we can look forward to a future of unprecedented progress and innovation.